For a seat without seat cushion depth adjustment, first fold down the connection strip all the way around. And remove the seat cushion. Pull the cover over the cushion. Undo the attachments of the cover. Work from the outside in. Cut the wire rings using a side cutter. Make sure that the wire doesn't tear the foam cushion. Then unclip the seam wire from the cushion. Use the special tool. Do the same on the other side. Also remove the rear wire rings. Feed the seam wire from the old cover into the tubes of the new cover without getting the eyelets caught in the tubing. Align the cover in the center and start with the rear cross attachments. Bring on the wire rings. Make sure that with each attachment, the wire is in the channel and neither foam nor cover is trapped. Check again that the cover is centrally aligned. The front cross attachments are next. Clip them in. Also make sure that the wire is in the channel. Smoothing the tubing prevents wrinkling. Work from the inside out and fix the cross seam wire. The inner seam wire is clipped. The outer is fixed with wire rings. Pull the cover over the cushion and smooth it out so there are no wrinkles and all the seams run along the edges. Bring the seat cushion back on the seat. The cushion must lie flush. Finally, clip on the connector strip.